Here's an example of some great progress that's been made in the past few years. It's the getting into the media of the Great Replacement. As stupid as that term is, I don't know who frickin' made it, but nonetheless, the message is very important, and it's a good thing that it's now in the media rather than just on our people's YouTube channels and whatever. It's an unfortunate name because the Great Replacement, it's kind of ambiguous. You could, and as you can see, people will come up with a different definition for it. I just say the Great Replacement. I always called it just importing Indians. Because that's really what we're talking about, and others, and others. So it's fantastic that this is now in the media. People understand that the native population is being replaced for some reason, and I've heard it several times, probably starting about 2 years ago, probably during Trump's campaign, somewhere around there, or at least, yeah, right, that's when I heard it get popular. And since then, I've heard it several times from, IRL people, and they're telling me this like it's something new, and I guess they're not really that pleased when I'm like, yeah, I know all about that, and they're not replacing Republicans, they're replacing whites, right? And then they're like, yeah, that's pretty much right. So that's the unfortunate side of this term now, because it has been adapted to become they're replacing Republicans. That's ridiculous. It's true at the same. It's true in part, but it's not the total truth, right? If they could import Indian Republicans, they're going to do it. So it's not exactly what's happening. But the thing is that it's mostly there. The message is there, and the intention is there. Well, not the intention for what they're trying to do, what the bad replacement that they're trying to do is there, and the people understand that they're trying to be replaced. They don't necessarily understand if it's because they're a Republican or if it's because of some other reason, but nonetheless, it's there in the lexicon now, and we can all be happy with that because it's a mainstream thing. It could be better. But as soon as someone says it in conversation, you can say, it's not exactly Republicans that they're replacing, and who would, and don't take it to the next step where it's like, oh, let's see who would want to replace white people in the country, right? I wouldn't say take it that far. It's like 2 steps of logic. You might break their brain by thinking about that. But if they bring it up and say it's like, yeah, they're actually just trying to get rid of you, and you happen to vote Republican, but don't tell them who's doing it. It's a secret. Thanks for watching.